Let's talk happy camper elements in this 2024 Forest River Salem FSX 161 QK. It is a cutie of a camper, and here in the back bedroom, look at that fabulous cross ventilation. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And then if we lift up on this bed, can you see that you can fill from outside or inside? And we have a pass-through bathroom with a micro bichromial shower curtain. Squeegees itself off. And then a privacy curtain so that you can do your business in peace. And then we've got our nice kitchen and dining area with a very convenient table that you can turn any which way depending on how you want it to be. Playing cards and whatnot can be used in a variety of ways. We're already all set up with solar, and we have some convenient hooks right by the door. We've got a fun fridge that can be opened right from the shower if you want. As we go out the door, we've got a nice fun awning. We can cook our bacon right outside. This is where we can hook up an additional solar panel. As we work our way around, we've got our propane tanks, the battery that goes with the solar panel that's on top. We've got some pass-through storage, instant hot water tank, or water heater. We're hooked up for putting a backup camera, and we've got the Lippert ladder all set up and ready. For more information on this camper or any of the other 200 plus campers we have at Camping World of Rothschild, give me a call or an email. Contact information is below. Have a great day and happy camping trails.